What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn off the caps lock notification on your Windows PC. This notification can be distracting, especially if it pops up or makes a sound every time you press the caps lock key. To turn off caps lock notifications, you first need to access your control panel. In your Start menu search, type Control Panel and press Enter. On the Control Panel window, find and click on Ease of Access. This section is designed to help make your PC easier to use. Inside the Ease of Access section, click on Ease of Access Center. This area offers adjustments for vision, hearing, and mobility. Here, look for the option that says Make it easier to focus on tasks and click on it. Here, you'll find various settings that can help tailor keyboard functionality to your needs. Scroll down to Toggle Keys, which typically plays a sound when you lock keys like Caps Lock, Numlock, or Scroll Lock are pressed. Uncheck the box next to Turn on Toggle Keys if it's selected. Click on Apply to save your changes. While you are still here, it's a good idea to turn off any unnecessary animations. Uncheck the box next to Turn off all unnecessary animations to help streamline your experience and potentially reduce distractions. After making these changes, click on OK to confirm everything. This should effectively disable the caps lock notification on your Windows PC. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.